Hi guys, welcome back to FemMNY. We're glad to have you here, and to all our subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and thank you for joining me. So for today's video, if you're looking on how to make this beautiful orchid balloon, this is the perfect video for you to watch, and materials that we'll be using here will be in the description down below. We'll be using our balloon 260. For the leaf, we have this 11 inches or 10 inches balloon. So first, I'm going to show you how to make the leaf. We have our balloon stick and our 260 balloon. Put it right here, just like that. And I put it inside our latex balloon. You inflate your balloon first, latex balloon. Hold on to your 260 right there, there's a tip. We'll inflate the 260 balloon. Got it right there. And hold on to your 260 balloon and the nozzle of your latex balloon. You pump your 260 balloon. Hold on to that. So there's the nozzle. Pull this a little. And then tie this together. Your 260 balloon. Cut the tip. Let the air out. And there's your orchid leaf. We'll make another one. So the extra, we'll put it here. So there goes your leaf or leaves. And now we have our 260 balloon. This is white. You stretch this. Now this time we'll make our orchid. We have our yellow. This is actually 160 balloon, but if you don't have any 160 balloon, you can also use 260 balloon for the yellow part. And again, you can always use either yellow or pink. Fold it like that, then pinch, and then twist. In the tip, I'm gonna tack this inside. Put it through. Do it twice. Then just tie this, cut the excess, make another one, so that's how I make the yellow part. Okay, you only need one of this. Okay, so back to the white one. You fold, pinch, and then twist. Just like that. Put this inside a couple times. 1, 2. Squeeze, fold, make the same size, pinch and twist. So about 3 fingers. If you want it bigger, it's up to you. As long as they're all the same size, pinch and twist. Then twist this around. Becomes like that. Okay, so squeeze this. We're gonna cut this off. This one, just wrap this around. Okay, and then we'll put this right on the center. This is the easiest way on how to make a balloon, orchid balloon. Just like that. And you make a bunch of this. And there's my flowers. Okay, we'll put this on the side. This time I'm gonna make the stem. leaving about over a fist or two on the tip. Cut the tip. Okay, I'm gonna make a pinch and twist, squeeze, make a pinch and twist just a little. So the second bead is a lot smaller than the first bead. You fold it, twist, make another bead, squeeze, same size. You fold and then twist. 1, 2. Just keep this sideways so it looks like that. Okay, make another one a little bigger than this, second layer. Squeeze, pinch and twist. So again, a little smaller than this one. Fold, pinch and twist. 1, 2, 3. Make another one. Pinch, twist, fold, twist. So this time you want it the other way. See how this one is going this way, this one is sideways. Go taller. Squeeze, pinch and twist. Just like that. Okay, just like that. We'll put this on the side, stretch. And then you pull like a fist right here, pinch and twist, squeeze, pinch and twist. Hold this, make another one, the same fist, just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna attach our flower. See the extra balloon? You attach it here. Just wrap it around. Attach another one. So if you want to have a little flower that goes here, you'll make another balloon. You inflate another 260 balloon. Then attach this here. Then about this much, a fist. So this is how you connect from one stem to the other like this. So attach it on the bottom part. There you go. Now attach another one. Just like that, guys. So to keep them in place, I'm gonna use balloon glue dots. All right, there you go. I put some glue dots so it'll stay in that arrangement. I already made another one like this, and as you can see, there's this thing. So I'm gonna show you how to attach this. So we'll just put it right there, right here. So I'm gonna cut this here. attach this here. Just like that. And then put glue dots. Alright, we got our flowers right here. Now we'll put this on the base. So if you're new to this channel, we have a different video tutorial on how to make this base. And if you want to watch this one right here, it will help you how to create this base that it can stand on its own. So now I'm gonna pinch this. Press this together. And then grab the balloon that's on here. Glue dots this together so it stays up like that. Really tie this together. No attach. Alright, so we have another 260 balloon. Put this here. And there you go, and if you want, you can support them with more glue dots. And there you go, just arrange them in place, put some glue dots if needed to, and there you go. There's our balloon orchid. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. This is FamBamNY. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you, bye.